How to log into Lemon8. 1. Open the Lemon8 application. 2. Select Continue with Google. 3. Select 1. 4. Choose what interests you. 5. Select Next. 6. You can change your username. 7. Select Next. 'Success, you are logged in. Don't forget to like and subscribe.